So what does the data tell us? Well, at the end of the day, we really want to understand what is most effective and least effective. So if you think about all these different variables that I have highlighted on this slide, that is not including offline data. This is a lot of different metrics and variables that we're looking at. At the end, but, and to simplify it, what we're trying to solve and trying to report on is what are the best partners and placements that we need to run our campaigns on? What's the best type of messaging or the least effective messaging out in the, that we're running for our clients? Who are the ideal audiences and which audiences are not responding or bringing high value to our clients? And then the types of platforms. So I mentioned, just at Merkle, we have about at least 17 platforms that we deal with on a day-to-day basis. In some agencies, it can be up to 30. So we need to identify what platforms really work. So this is so a lot of you probably are wondering why there's always a challenge to meet with an ad operations team or a media planner or an analytics team, is because a lot of these issues. And then at the end of the day, it's also understanding what tactics work for our clients. This is a slide that we, kind of talking about the evolution of media buying. We went from a contextual-based advertising to a cookie-based advertising using targetability. But now we're venturing into the people-based era, right? So it's not all about cookies, and it's all about identifying cross devices and where users are actually, what their habits are and how to best serve messages to them and understanding where to serve those ads. And this enables us to look at prospecting audiences, create lookalike models, and at the end of the day, also remarketing. So why do we do this? Well, we do this because we need to, and we want the following: better transparency to minimize our risk, optimize across our publishers, placements, creative to better drive traffic, ROI, and sales. We want brand safety and viewability and compliance. And then at the end of the day, as Joe was mentioning, there's trying to compare everything that a media planner does. What they're trying to report back to the client is what did they originally plan versus what did they buy, then what the actuals are. But oftentimes the actuals aren't what we actually pay, right? So trying to report out those 4 different financial metrics. Understand what is actually driving the business. So it's all about audience insights, market trends, messaging and strategy. And then I think, we talked about viewability and verification, and I think Joe Barone said it best, but in a nutshell, it's making sure that we have brand safety, viewability, real people that we're targeting, and it's the actual target audience that the client desires to message out to, which then gives us true and better results and minimizes waste.